We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2021 Harley-Davidson Street Glide in Vivid Black. This bike has engine guards in the front, 107 Milwaukee 8 engine, rider floorboards and passenger pegs, locking saddlebags, which is always awesome. It's nice to keep your stuff secure. All of the chrome still looks immaculate on this bike, and we also have ABS. Super clean bike. Miles are extremely low. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check this one out.